Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in, use the web or the Schoology app on your device. Once signed in, tap your name or avatar in the top right corner to open the account menu. This is where Profile controls live. From there, select Settings so you can manage account-specific tools. You do this because QR access is tied to your profile. Make sure you're in the right account, then proceed to the next area to find shareable links and codes. Once in Settings, navigate to the Profile or Privacy section where sharing options appear. You'll see a button labeled Share, QR code, or Join Info. Tap it to generate or view your code. On mobile, that option sometimes hides under a three-dot menu. Make sure to expand menus. This step creates a scannable image because Schoology links codes to courses or accounts. After you reveal the code, you can download or screenshot it for distribution, which I'll explain how to finalize next. Now save and share the code. Download it if offered, or take a clear screenshot for printing. Once you have it, test the QR with a second device to confirm it opens the intended course or profile. This prevents wasted class time. If you can't find the QR, log out and sign back in, clear the browser cache, or update the app. These fixes often restore missing interface elements. If problems persist, contact your admin because some schools restrict QR use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.